Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. Happy Friday, the 8th, sorry, the 9th of July. This is our weekly recap. It goes out to my members as well as everybody who follows me on YouTube, my email list. If you want to learn more about me, link in the description below. Come on over to smartoptiontrading.com, click on live trading alerts. We have a Discord room. We use Zoom for video and voice. We have private Twitter. Call out all the options flows, news, trades, charts, ideas. A nice community. Would love to have you. So let's talk about this week. And this was not the most easiest of week. June was a very good month. Good week for the most part this week, but not easy. First of all, we were closed on Monday, so we had a 4-day week. And you can see here, Monday we kind of had this very wild, wide range whippy day. Same thing here on Tuesday, but both days closed well. And then on Tuesday and then Wednesday. And then on Thursday, we gapped down big for no particular reason. What we did do though is we held in, we closed back on the 8 day. Today we pushed up, and here we are at all-time highs on the SPY. And so whatever this was yesterday, it's been quickly forgotten about as we go into earnings season next week. The QQQs themselves here, not quite as strong back to all-time highs, but held in better. The IWM still struggling to get going, but well off the lows. And we still need this rally to broaden. The one thing that continues to be a problem with this market is the lack of broadness in this rally. Today was a nice general, everybody pushed up with the markets, but we need this to broaden out and see other sectors to contribute and start pushing back to highs. The banks will be in focus next week. Energy names pushing back up, so some good stuff to see here. Quickly touch upon the VIX for you guys. The VIX getting smashed down here. Yesterday we said couldn't close out of the Bollinger Band, typically a sign of risk on, and here it is, right? It gave you a barely a 1-day trade. It was really an overnight trade on the VIX. Volatility in this market continues to be difficult. For me, it was an okay week, made money, but honestly didn't trade a ton just because of the market conditions. And the market is still flashing some big warning signs, but we're here at all-time highs, and you cannot get bearish until this market actually says, hey, I'm going to come in. I'm going to give you more than a couple hours of weakness on a gap down in the morning. That said, on guard, time to be paying attention. So what was good this week? Well, let's just go right to Apple. Apple gave trades all week long. Today, it finally put an all-time high in here. What a pain this name was, right? On Wednesday, it got so 20 cents away, they wouldn't let it go. Then it gapped down big on Thursday, and here it is today at all-time highs. Nice move up here. This name remains very, very strong. Didn't hit the 8-day. Amazon did a lot of heavy lifting this week. Yesterday was just unbelievable, that comeback candle on it. A little bit of an inside day today on this one as well. I traded Apple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times this week. So just to put it in perspective. What else was some strong names this week? It was Microsoft put in a new all-time high earlier this week. Facebook, also trying to hold in. We talked to Amazon, Nvidia here put a new all-time high in. Then it gapped down, closed week, gapped down, and here it is staring at that little gap again. We'll see if it wants to go fill that. So these were where the really strong names were today. We had Snow, which just raged on big volume on that one today. Roku gave a nice trade today during around the lunchtime as it just woke up on a rumor based upon, you got to love this market, a rumor based upon a job posting that they're going to be pushing the Roku channel onto other platforms. All right, well, it woke it up, and what's good about this is here it's back over the 8-day, and it held the 21-day. So all in all here, a lot of names held in. AMD, which got pulverized yesterday, held the 21-day, didn't hit it, now back on the 8-day. And everything seems to be going fairly okay. Here we're holding in sideways. We get ready to start earnings, and we'll have to see what's going on. I didn't trade much today. I had a small trade on Apple, had a nice win on Roku, and then I chased DraftKings. So this is now a new position for me. I chased DraftKings. I on the news. I love the news. They're going to get streaming and and integrated gambling with Major League Baseball. Popped. I chased. Bad Mike. Got caught. I can hold it. I'm looking to sell calls against. I just haven't figured out which ones. And I have a good to cancel order just in case it pops after hours. But I can hold it, and I'm in it. Not loving the chart. So that's a new position for me there here this week. We'll see how that kind of plays out. You chase sometimes you don't think the right way, and that clearly was on me here. So bottom line, we go into next week, earnings week, right? We go into earnings next week, and we'll see what this kind of brings up. We start with the banks. Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan right on Tuesday morning. These will be interesting names to watch. We got Coke, I think Pepsi mixed in there. We got Taiwan Semi, Alcoa, Schwab. So very interesting start the week. And then the week after we get Netflix right away. So again, if you want to learn more about me, please look at the description. There's a link for you. Everybody have a great week, and I'll put charts up on Sunday.